Welcome to LineSight. Today we will go through the tutorial for the dashboard screen. Dashboard screen shows the most important information related to the production line, such as production line name, production line actual status, target rate loss, line speed, strategic production rate, active recipe, duration of the last stop, day and shift data regarding, mean time between stops, mean time to recovery, number of bottles, and gross production. In the upper right part of the screen, you can log in by entering username and password. In the same area, you can change interface language. By clicking on the button in the upper right part of the screen, you can switch from dashboard screen to Gantt diagram view, and vice versa. In the Gantt diagram view, production lines are displayed in the form of Gantt diagram, which shows production line states in time, along with the name of the product that was produced. Each segment of the Gantt diagram is described with color and text. When the segment is sufficiently long, the text is displayed within the segment. If not, text can always be viewed inside the tooltip when the mouse cursor is placed over the segment. Information regarding each shift is accessed via these buttons in the bottom of the screen. If selected shift hasn't started yet, shift from the previous day is displayed. You can also display 3 shifts simultaneously by clicking on this button. In this case, third shift from previous day is displayed along with the first and second shift from today. Clicking on this button activates online mode, which means that information will be updated in real time. Online mode shows last 8 hours. You can select specific date by clicking on this button. In this case, 24-hour data is shown for selected day with the beginning in 6 a.m. Gantt diagram can be moved backward or forward in increments of 8 hours. Furthermore, time period can be determined by selecting the time period directly from the Gantt diagram. Finally, click on the production line of your choice to access its information. That is all for today's tutorial. If you have further questions, please feel free to contact us and we will answer as soon as possible. Thank you for your attention and please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more content.